Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Exodus on your Firestick. We'll walk through the entire process, from preparing your device to enjoying your content. It's a straightforward setup, but following these steps carefully ensures a smooth experience. Let's get started and get Exodus up and running quickly. First, we need to prepare your Firestick. Go to the settings, then My Fire TV, and select Developer Options. Here, you must enable apps from unknown sources. This allows you to install applications not found in the Amazon App Store. Next, search for and install the Downloader app. It's essential for the next steps. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Quick recommendation: if you're looking to bring your space to life, the Echo Dot smart speaker is fantastic for playing music or even controlling your Firestick with your voice. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's install Exodus. Launch the Downloader app and enter the specific URL for the Exodus repository into the address bar. Once the download begins, follow the simple on-screen instructions to install the repository and then the Exodus add-on itself. This process usually takes just a few minutes to complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.